Hello, I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson, and we're waiting on some people to join us. If you have a friend you want to share the screen with, just tag them. And of course, if you want to share the screen with someone, just share this by pressing the button at the bottom of the screen. And as you know, sharing is caring. Okay, so we're going to wait on some people to join us. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. It did snow here in Indianapolis. Oh, I'm sorry I did not get to talk to you yesterday. For some reason, Facebook was not allowing that to occur. So, be that it may, we will go ahead and start today. So, welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the GRxSystem. I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, you're at the right place. So we've been talking about fillers, and I mentioned to you the areas where you can inject fillers, talked about some type of fillers and how long they last. So I'm just going to go over that in a sense again, and just talk about various locations, what fillers you can use. And again, this is not inclusive of all fillers. These are the common ones that I actually tend to use in my office. But again, not all the fillers, okay? So for the glabella area, which is this area here, you can use the Restylane filler. And again, it doesn't last as long, but it's soft, and it will definitely help hide those lines and wrinkles until the Botox kicks in and does its job. Of course, there's the size of the crow's feet, or the size of the eyes right here on the side here. You can use Bellaterra, and that's by Mertz. But Bellaterra is, it goes a little deeper, and but it helps with the crow's feet. As well as the under the eyelid, you can use Restylane again, and that'll help with the discoloration. I mentioned how a lot of times it's a blood vessel that you can see, but you also have a sunkenness in that area, and also, and so the Restylane will help with that, the Restylane filler. Now, for reshaping of the nose, such as the top of the nose here, you can use Restylane, you can use Juvederm, as well as Radius. Now, the nasolabial fold, which is this area here, like I mentioned, the line from the nose to the sides of the mouth, you can use my top 5. So you have the Restylane, you have Perlene or Restylane Lift, which is the same. There's also Juvederm. You can use Radius as well as Sculptra. And you can also use those same products on the marionette lines, which is this area and this here. Now on the cheeks, and this is my favorite, the cheeks. Only because a lot of, like I said in my other video, a lot of people come in, they just want the nasolabial fold done, and they don't realize how much of their cheeks they've lost. And when I talk them into getting it done, everyone has been very happy with it. Very surprised with the results. And what I do is I do one half of the face at a time. So I would do the first, like the right cheek, and let them see them, give them a mirror so they can see themselves. And they're just so impressed. They didn't realize how much volume they've lost. And then I just do the other, cheek within minutes. And they're so happy. So if you are going to get a filler done, I know you want the nasolabial fold done. Those are common. That's a common location. But look at an old picture of yourself, 10, 20 years ago, and you can compare and see how you've lost a lot of the volume in your cheeks. And I highly recommend getting that done. A very good product for the cheeks includes Radius, but also Voluma by Allergan. And on the temple area here, Sculptra is good for that area, as well as Radius and Restylane Lift. For the vertical lips, the lines that go, from here, like down to the upper lip, you're looking at Restylane. Of course, you can use Juvederm, as well as the definition of the lips. You can use those two products. On the sides of the lips, where I mentioned how if the sides of the mouth is turned downward, people tend to sometimes get an infection called perliche. And I use Radius there, but you can also use Botox. So that's a good area to use Botox to help try to turn the corners of the mouth up so they won't get that infection. For the mention the marionette lines with a nasolabial fold. Then the jaw area, you can use Juvederm. You can use, of course, Radius and or Restylane Lift and Sculptra for the jaw area as well as the pre-jaw area. And back of the hands, you can use Restylane Lift and then Radius. So those are some areas that you can use our common dermal fillers. And of course, there's some more out there. The beauty of the cosmetic world, the industry, they always keep coming out with something better. So, but for now, those are common sites and common products that you can have injected. Like I stated, they're safe. They last anywhere from 3 to 6 months up to 2 years. And it depends on the product and, of course, the higher molecular weight. In the bigger areas, such as your cheeks, your pre-temple area, you will use those heavier or larger molecular weighted dermal fillers, and they last a longer time, and that's what you're looking for. But regardless, you will get usually have a really good outcome with these products. And thank you again for tuning in. Any questions? Well, thank you. Again, I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and creator of the GRxSystem. I have women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, you're at the right place. Another product that may interest you, if you really don't care for injectables, and all the dermal fillers are injectables, of course, then there's a product called Wrinkle Free Serum that you can find on my website, GRxSystem. And what it does is it helps build, it's amino acids that help build collagen. And wherever you rub it, it will actually increase the volume in that location. And the bottle lasts up to 6 months easily, but it's a serum that you apply twice a day. And once you reach the desired effects, then you just use it when needed. If you want free gifts with that, go to yes.gorgeousskinnow.com. yes.gorgeousskinnow.com. And therefore, you can not only get information about the Wrinkle Free Serum, but you can enjoy some other free gifts. Thank you again and take care. Good night.